Hello friends, this is Redmi 5A smartphone. In this video, I will show you how you can set ringtone in Redmi 5A smartphone. First, you need to go to the settings and find sound and vibration. Just select phone ringtone and it will open up several ringtones. You will see here. These are all the offline ringtones. You can choose any ringtone and click on apply button and then click OK button to activate. I am repeating the procedure. Go to phone ringtone and select any ringtone that you want to set. And finally apply and click OK. And you will have online ringtones too. For that you should have active internet connection. You should have active internet connection for downloading any ringtone from online. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Until then, goodbye.